Hi family. If you're new here, I'm Buffy, and welcome. Did you know that there are some plants that can actually repel pests better than chemicals? That's right. In this video, we'll explore how certain plants, like lavender, basil, and marigolds, can naturally deter garden pests. These plants not only keep bugs at bay, but they also help you maintain a healthier, more vibrant garden. So stay tuned to learn which plants to grow for a pest-free paradise. Now, my fellow gardeners watching this video, you know that gardening can be a relaxing and rewarding hobby, but you also know that it comes with its own sets of challenges too. And one of the most common issues we gardeners face is pest infestations, from aphids to beetles, slugs, snails, and so on. These unwanted visitors can wreak havoc on our plants. To combat these pests, many gardeners turn to chemical pesticides for a solution. But these can have harmful effects on the environment. Because let's face it, pesticides can contaminate soil and water. It can also harm beneficial insects and disrupt local ecosystems. And if you are growing your own food, these chemicals can get into your fruits and vegetables, which you then ingest when you eat your bounties. Fortunately, there are natural alternatives, and by choosing pest-repelling plants, we not only keep pests at bay, but we also contribute to a healthier environment. So let me highlight 10 plants that are known for their pest-repelling properties, along with how each one works to deter pests. 10. Lavender. Its scent is intoxicating to us humans, but it repels mosquitoes, flies, fleas, and moths. This plant is good for hardiness zones 5 through 9. At number 9, rosemary. It's a woody evergreen shrub that produces long-lasting oils that deter Japanese beetles, carrot flies, slugs, and snails. Hardiness zones are 7 through 9. At number 8 is mint. It's a perennial that will come back every year, and it produces oily aromatics that repels cabbage moths, ants, mice, and fleas. But this plant will take over your garden if left unchecked. So if possible, grow it in containers. Or if you have to plant it in the ground, you will definitely need to keep an eye on it and trim it back often in order to keep it under control. Just look at this pic of my baby mint plant I planted last year to what it has become today. Hardiness zones are 3 through 9. 7. Garlic. It has a strong scent that deters aphids, cabbage loopers, and Japanese beetles. Hardiness zones are 3 through 9. At number 6 is catnip. Its fragrance deters mosquitoes, cockroaches, and termites. And if you have cats, they will go crazy for it. Hardiness zones are 3 through 9. At number 5 are nasturtiums. These plants will attract beneficial pollinators to your garden, like butterflies and bees, while also deterring the unwanted pests of whiteflies, squash bugs, and cucumber beetles. Hardiness zones are 2 through 11. At number 4 is lemon thyme. Its lemony scent deters mosquitoes, cockroaches, and termites. Hardiness zones are 5 through 9. Now, for my top 3 plants that repel the nasties are... At number 3 is sage. It repels cabbage worms, beetles, and carrot rust flies. It's used in cooking, but it also has medicinal uses for sore throats, digestive issues, and to enhance memory. Hardiness zones are 4 through 10. 2. Basil. Its scent keeps mosquitoes, flies, aphids, mites, and tomato hornworms away. Interesting fact about basil. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and it's used in traditional medicine. Hardiness zones are 4 through 10. And coming in at number 1 is marigold. This plant emits a earthy, musky scent. So when you smell it, you know it's marigold. And it repels mosquitoes, aphids, and nematodes. Cool note about marigolds. They're used in religious and cultural ceremonies, especially in Mexico for Day of the Dead celebrations. Hardiness zones are 2 through 11. By incorporating pest-repelling plants like garlic, basil, rosemary, mint, marigolds into your garden, you can naturally deter pests without harming the environment. These plants help maintain a healthier, more vibrant garden while reducing the need for chemical pesticides. So remember, natural pest control not only benefits your garden, but it also contributes to a healthier ecosystem overall. So family, try incorporating some of these plants into your 2024 garden and share your experiences in the comments section. And if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and plant recommendations. Thanks so much for watching, family, and happy gardening. And also, all the best to you and yours. See you in the next video.